Okay, I wanted to do this quick video because I've noticed a lot of people were wondering how they can use the Canva bulk create. So I want to go through this real quick and show you how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to use this one right here. No, I'm not. Let me see if this is one. Okay, nope, not going to use that one either. I'm going to create a new one. All right, so I'm going to just create a design, and if I'm using something that I'm going to use as a banner or something like that, then I will use 1920 by 1080. But in this case, I'm going to do it like I'm going to do the same thing because maybe I'm creating something for my team or for my customers to congratulate them, whatever it might be. Okay, so first I want to design this. So I'm just going to put some text in here, and I like this font. It's called Brassica. As you can see here, Brassica or something like that. And I'm just going to type in person name. Okay. And I'm going to want to make sure this is centered. And then I'm going to put a subtitle down here, and this is just going to be their title. Okay. Drag that down a little bit. But what the question I'm getting from most people is, but I want to do images. Now, there's one way I could do this. If I wanted every one of these to look the same, I could, put congratulations, and I could have a spreadsheet for the bulk that's got, the person's name, the title, the accomplishment, what rank they are maybe, and all that stuff, and so forth. But everybody's going to have a different picture, right? So doing that different picture makes it, really nice if you can do it in the bulk. So I want to show you how you can accomplish all of it. If you have the same background design for everything, and you just filling out bulk names and titles, or if you want a different picture for each. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to the side. Now I have this bulk create, but if you didn't have the bulk create, you would just click on app and you would type in bulk and look for it, right? And there it is, bulk create. Then the first time you use it, I think it puts it down here, so it makes it really, really nice. So now I'm going to say enter manually, and you'll see that I've already got. So on this one here, I'm going to actually call this title, and I got John Smith and James and Jane Jones. So I'm going to say, I don't know, say affiliate. Okay. Affiliate customer, right? But I want to add a picture. Well, you see this up here where it says add image. Okay, so now I can, when I call this, click in there, it says search media, and this is stuff that is in you can look for all kinds of stuff, right? Stuff that you've uploaded, stuff that you might not have uploaded. I can say beach, right? And it's going to find a bunch of stuff on the beach. Okay, so I'm going to put Ron in here and see what comes up. Okay, so I got this picture here. Let's see if there's anything else. All right, so I'm going to use this picture here. Okay, and in this one I'm going to put, I don't know, let's see if I got something for Emma. Okay, I don't. I don't know. Okay, we'll just use, let's see if I've done this, I had to upload or something. So I'm just going to use this person here. Okay, now I'm going to say done. Okay, but I'm still missing something here. Okay, so I may have to go back and do this. I should have done this first. But I need to put an element in here, a frame. So I'm going to look for a frame. And I'm going to see all, and I want this to be, let's say, a rounded one. Okay, so I'm going to put that rounded frame in there, make sure it's in the center. And that's going to be where the person's picture is. Move this all down a little bit. See if we can get them all the same. 34, 34, 34. Okay, so that's where the picture is going to be. This is where their name, this is where their title. So now I go back to bulk create, and hopefully it's not in there, but that's okay. So now we're going to change this one here to affiliate, and this one here to customer, and we'll change this name. This is title. Okay, but then add the image, go to Ron, grab this one, go here to, I don't know, Karen. Here's Ron and Karen. Okay, I'm going to say done. Okay, so now I've got these three fields. I've got this. How do I attach it? And again, if you upload 10 photos, 20 photos, you know, whatever you do, they'll be in there. Okay, so I'm going to go down to title first. So I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to say connect data, and I want to connect it to the title. Here I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to say connect data. I'm going to do it to the name. Here on this frame, I'm going to do the same thing. Connect data to the image. Okay, so you have to use a frame to do that. Now I'm going to say continue, and it's going to give me all the rows that are in my CSV file, either if I've imported it or if I've typed it in, right? And then I just select all, and I say create, generate two designs. So it's going to create a whole new document, and look at that. Everything is in there just perfectly. Okay? So I hope this makes sense, right? And you could do the same thing. I could come back over here and I could say upload a CSV. And if I created a CSV in Google Sheets or in Keynote, or Numbers, or in Excel, any kind of spreadsheet, right? And then saved it as a CSV, I could upload that and do the same thing, right? But this makes it really, really easy. And there they are right there. So I've got everything. If I call this up, I've got everything I need. I can go through, and so you want to make sure you design it before you do all this, okay? So I hope that makes sense. Hope that helps if you're struggling with this.